Can you actually make money on Survey Junkie? Yes, you can expect to make up to $300 monthly on Survey Junkie. Cash out $10 or more daily or once you've earned $300 or more, then repeat monthly. In this video, I will show you how to earn an extra $300 every month in disposable income, 100% free without spending your existing household income. Survey Junkie is a legitimate survey platform that connects users with companies looking for consumer opinions, like the companies I will show you in the next slide. You can spend the extra $300 on your monthly bills, buy groceries, fill up your gas tank, pay for daycare, start an online business, build business credit, start a savings account, buy stocks, or spend it however you wish. If your monthly expenses look something like this, I can show you how to earn an extra $300 monthly from doing simple surveys. To start earning real cash, simply complete 10 qualified surveys each day, spending 2 to 4 hours a day for 30 days doing easy paid surveys and earning up to $10 per day, as shown in the next slide. Daily, take enough surveys that add up to $10 or more. Once you accumulate a minimum of 500 points, which is equivalent to $5, you can instantly cash out directly into your bank account by selecting bank transfer, PayPal, or a gift card as your payment method. Just click rewards and select your payment method as shown in the next slide. Click rewards here where the arrow is to cash out every time you earn a minimum of 500 points, which is equivalent to $5. Then select a bank transfer, a PayPal, or a gift card as your payment method. When taking paid surveys, keep in mind that one survey point is equivalent to 1 cent and 120 points are equivalent to $1.20. Survey Junkie is a legitimate survey platform that connects users with companies looking for consumer opinions. Users earn points by completing surveys, and these points can be redeemed for cash. While it won't make you rich, participating in surveys on Survey Junkie can be a legitimate way to earn an expected monthly income by sharing your opinions on various products and services. Keep in mind that the availability of surveys may vary, and the amount of money you can make depends on the number and types of surveys you qualify for and complete. Also, Survey Junkie is rated an impressive 4.2 on Trustpilot.com. Trustpilot is a trusted review website that hosts reviews of businesses worldwide, as shown in the next slide. Survey Junkie on Trustpilot has 44,000 reviews. This rating reflects the positive experiences of users like you, making Survey Junkie a reliable platform to share your opinions and earn cash instantly. Join the Survey Junkie community today and be part of a platform that's trusted globally. Ready to turn your opinions into cash? If your answer is yes, let's get started. First, click the link in the YouTube description or pinned in the comment section below as shown in the next slide. So you would click the link either in my YouTube description here in blue or that's pinned in the comment section shown here in blue. And on the next page, you would click join now, then follow the on-screen instructions, providing necessary information such as your email address, password, and username. Click the green Start Now button, answer the 5 questions, then click the Log In and Start Earning button shown here. And when you get to this page, before you click the green Start Profile button here, first check your email right now. Click on the Survey Junkie. Please confirm your email address as shown here. Click the green Click to Confirm Email button shown here. This is to verify your email address so you are able to be paid without delay. Go back to the Survey Junkie dashboard where you left off. Now click the green Start Profile button and finish the on-screen instructions. Once you complete your profile, take once you complete your profile, take up to 10 surveys today to start making $300 or more by the end of this month, and $10 or more as soon as tonight, and cash out in 2 hours unless stated otherwise. My tip for you is to log into Survey Junkie every day to take up to 10 surveys and cash out instantly when you earn a minimum of $5. Treat this like a part-time or a full-time job and schedule a set time per day to take surveys. All the money you earn is yours to keep. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe to see other members' earnings proof and more legitimate ways to make 100% free money from your cell phone, laptop, tablet, or desktop computer.